US guys, welcome back extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your settings and type on Wi-Fi. Make sure connect strong Wi-Fi connection. After connect strong Wi-Fi connection, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, go for the next method. Type on App Store and type on Apple ID banner. Scroll down and type on sign out. After reset your device, you can sign in. Check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, go for the next method. Open your settings. Scroll down, type on journal. Scroll down, type on date and time. If the toggle turn off, you can turn on. After turn on toggle, check whether the problem fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, go for the next method. You can go back, scroll down and type on reset iPhone. Type on again reset. Type on reset network setting and enter your passcode. Type on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.